Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M32 5G smartphone. This product comes in sky blue color. It is also available in slate black color. It has 4 variants with different memory storage. The phone comes with a 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 1TB. The phone comes with a single SIM1 slot along with a hybrid card slot that allows using the phone as a dual SIM phone or as a single SIM phone with a micro SD card in the second slot. The Samsung M32 has a 6.5-inch TFT technology Infinity V-Cut display with a HD Plus resolution. It is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. It also features fingerprint sensor, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, Hall sensor, accelerometer, virtual light sensing, virtual proximity sensing which is secured by Knox, Samsung's defense-grade security platform. The payments can be done securely via Samsung Pay at any NFC POS terminal. The phone comes with quad camera setup, which is segregated as 48-megapixel primary camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel depth and 2-megapixel macro camera at the back. The aperture ranges from f1.8 to f2.4. It also has 13-megapixel front camera. It is powered by One UI 3.1 on Android version 11.0 operating system with MediaTek Dimensity 720 Octa Core 2 GHz processor with the widest 12 5G band support for a true 5G experience. The phone comes with one lithium-ion battery with a power rate of 5000 mAh.